everyone, I'm Chef Anthony Lopinto and I'm here today with Ilfornino Wood Fired Pizza Ovens. Not only are Ilfornino ovens excellent for pizza, but we're going to demonstrate some other beautiful uses that we can use the oven for. We're going to start off with Hasselback potatoes. Hasselback potatoes, it's a style of potato where it's cut in a specific fashion, seasoned, wrapped in foil, and we're going to throw it right into the coals in the oven. So what we have here are beautiful Yukon Golds. I like Yukon Golds for this cooking purpose because they're creamy and they are absolutely delicious. So what I want you to do is take your potato, knife in hand, and curl your fingers, knife up against your knuckle, and slice 3/4 of the way down the potato. Make each incision as consistent as you can. Now what happens with this is because you are opening the potato, heat is able to get into the potato and your potatoes will cook nice and even. Now, we're going to take some extra virgin olive oil and we're going to slightly open the potato so that we can get some of that nice olive oil down into the potato itself. We'll be using salt, fresh black pepper, and now some thyme. When you close your potato, it's important how you roll it. So go to the back left corner, fold over, right corner to the middle, left corner to the middle, and then roll it up. What we have here is our Hasselback potatoes wrapped in foil, ready to go. So this is foil cooking, and then we're going to do ash cooking. Ash cooking is where you take your food and you throw it right onto the hot coals. This is the original form of cooking, everybody. So now, let's move our beautiful hot coals to the back. We'll take our foil wrapped potatoes and we're going to add them directly into the oven. Just toss them in near the coals. Now this is a screaming hot oven. It's going to come out absolutely beautiful. And our very last potato. You have the top, the left, the right, and then the glorious potato.